All right, buckle in because we got some rough weather heading our way.
Yeah, the winds are really going to pick up during the afternoon hours. During the overnight hours, we'll have gusts potentially up to 60 miles an hour. Now, I want to mention, too, that all of these weather alerts, the latest weather forecasts, can always be found on WIVB.com. A high wind warning has been issued for the entire region. This begins at 3 o'clock this afternoon. It's going to run until around midnight. Again, gusts up to 60 miles an hour. With winds that strong, we can't rule out some power outages and downed limbs and power lines. There are other alerts out there with the strong winds. Lakeshore flooding is likely along Lake Erie. With that, the National Weather Service issued a lakeshore flood warning. That's going to start at 3 o'clock this afternoon, running until 11 o'clock tonight. A lake effect snow advisory also begins. This starts at 6 o'clock tonight. It's going to run until 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon for southern Erie, Wyoming, Chautauqua, Cattaraugus, and McKean counties. Snowfall totals tonight and tomorrow in those areas will range from 4 to 8 inches. Elsewhere, totals will range from 2 to 5 inches. So a lot of us will be doing some shoveling this weekend, and be cautious of slick roads tonight. Forewarned Doppler just picking up on rain right now. The steadiest and most persistent activity throughout the morning and midday hours has been in the Niagara Frontier. Some heavy rain around Medina, Lockport, or steadier rain, I should say, down to around Amherst, and then down into the Kenmore and downtown Buffalo areas, also around Hamburg. As we take you down to the southern tier, steady rain in Chautauqua County, and then more scattered as you get into Cattaraugus, Allegheny, McKean, and Potter counties. Rain will continue at times throughout the afternoon as winds pick up. Gusts this afternoon up to 45 miles an hour. Temperatures today will top out in the low 40s. A look at the surface map. Low pressure here on the west end of Lake Erie is going to continue advance towards the northeast, passing over western New York. Notice the cooler weather on the backside of this, cooler air indicated by snow. So we are going to see our temperatures falling during the evening hours. With that, our temperatures are going to fall, and we're going to see rain mix with and change over to snow. Dunkirk, the warm spot right now at 48. We're at 35 in the Falls, 37 in Buffalo and Bradford, 39 in Wellsville and Jamestown. As we get into tonight, around that 6 o'clock hour is when we're going to start to see rain mixing with snow, all snow likely by 10 o'clock, and then lake effect snow continues on into Saturday. So for tonight, again, that changeover right during the evening commute, so be cautious of slick roads. Blowing snow and reduced visibilities are possible overnight tonight and then early tomorrow. We are very windy tonight with gusts up to 50 to 60 miles an hour. Accumulation amounts from the Boston Hills down through ski country will be 2 to 5 inches. Elsewhere, 1 to 3 inches. A low temperature tonight around 25. For tomorrow, we'll have snow continue at times. We're colder and breezy. 2 to 4 inches from the Boston Hills south. 1 to 2 inches elsewhere on our Saturday. A high temperature of Victoria tomorrow of 31. Winds will subside throughout the day. Snow tapers off tomorrow night, but with that, we're going to be very cold. A low of 18, a southern tier low of 12. And then Sunday is looking dry, partly cloudy, and a high temperature on Sunday of 34.